Here are some of the stepping stones my sister has made. Some of these over 20 years old.
So this is the pattern for the stepping stone. This is the original pattern, the one we made so much.
Do you know what year you actually started making these?
I don't know. This is the original pattern drawn by Elsa. Anyways.
But that was like in the 90s, right?
That was in the 90s, yep. And this was the pattern that Jessica was going to do. And this is a crab that she was doing in the center of, and right down there
Oh wow,
is another one she was making.
it's a bigger one there. I'll have to go outside and look at some of these original ones.
Anyways, what happened to those other forms? It's too bad. Here's a glass cutter. I don't know if this is the one she uses. Oh, here's the nipper. This one breaks it. Yeah, she's got a bit of stuff here, that's for sure.
It's pottery she's made.
And it's just like
You hear that sound? That's what you want to hear. And now if you look in the light, you can see those lines. You just don't want to hold it on the edge where you're going to break it. See all those nice sparklies? And then you have a clean space. You really have to keep this clean. But even if I just cut up that one little piece, I still will do that and make sure that it's clean. This is my junk glass. When I've made, I don't really cut, like I wouldn't cut up this. This is too big of a piece because I can get an actual piece for a pattern out of a piece this big or this big or this big. But a piece this big, that's friggin' okay. So now this one, this stuff's a lot harder. This stuff sometimes will break not where you want it to, and you just gotta keep going. So let's each pick a piece. This is a good one to start with. But let's make a line. I want to make a line where you want to cut first. Mm-hmm. There you go. That's perfect. There you go. That just helps you kind of guide it. And don't go back and forth. You get one
You try to go
good
one
shot
time.
at it. Yeah.
Just right through it.
There you go, perfect. I like that sound. Not so hard though, just a little bit gentler. That's pretty good. Hey, that's good.
Are you supposed to come off the edge like that? Or do
No,
you
but
stop?
that takes a lot of practice. Okay, now you don't get another go. So now what you do is you try it and see what happens. And move your finger away from the point. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Most glass is pretty forgiving, like especially this kind of glass. So as long as you got, you know, a decent score, it'll do it. The better, cleaner the score, then the cleaner the break. Don't go back.
It helps to go back, it seems like.
Don't go back. Just get better at doing it.
Ooh.
You're learning how to cut. You did a curve. Very good.
Dad, have you ever done the glass?
Not too much. Nope. Leave it to the artists.
That's really for you to put them in whenever you want to.
I take porcelain cement and gloves.
Work it in the voids.
Don't let him not use gloves. Okay. I see him using cement all the time without gloves.
And I don't wear a dust mask.
Okay, fine.
No big deal.
Both of those things are very bad, especially the dust mask. 'Cause it's
I don't
very
breathe it.
cancer. But I've had cement burns before from doing the porcelain cement, and it makes these little holes, and they don't heal, and it hurts.
This is just straight Portland cement. Just gonna make it a little bit stronger. And a little bit more creamier, which will help it flow in between the stained glass. Now, of course, you don't want to breathe concrete dust. And you want to wear gloves. Or just don't get it on your hands. Or wash it off right away. Tap it on the bottom, and that forces the concrete down in between all the crevices of the stained glass. Doesn't stick at all to the mold. Not bad. I'll do one more cleaning of these. I think that'll be it. Put them in the grass and see what they look like. I think they turned out pretty good. This is the one my sister started before we had to leave. She had done the outside edge, this part in here, and I finished it. This is the one my daughter did. And this is the one I did out of the shower tile. Comes in those sheets. I just tore off some pieces and placed it around in there. They are nothing like the ones that my sister used to make. Those take a very long time to make because you have a pattern and you have to cut out the pieces and to fit the pattern. And she used to do horses. And I showed a lot of examples of some of the stuff she did. Cutting out stained glass, the shape that you want, like if it was a leaf or a ear of a horse or whatever it was. You know, you have to get that perfect to fit that pattern. These, you're just kind of winging it. I mean, that is awesome, I think. But as long as you just have a lot of little pieces, you can kind of just throw them in there and do it quickly. But hopefully these will last, 20 years or longer, like the ones at my parents' house have. It's fun to make. It's good memories to have with family. Big jump. And real quick here at the end, I'll show you something else she made.